Welcome back, PPC warriors. We have been crushing it with sponsored products so far, but now it is time to level up your brand game. And this is the 7th episode of PPC Crash Course. We are diving into sponsored brands and not just any setup. We are using the VCPM bidding strategy to dominate top of search visibility. So these campaigns are powerful when it comes to build real brand awareness. Think about it, your logo, your headline, your video ad, all showing right at the top of the shopper's search. So let's build a campaign that stops the scroll and makes your brand unforgettable. So let's go. Step 1 is head into your Amazon Ads console and click on the Create Campaign and then select Sponsor Brands. So now you are in the Setting tab. Let's give your campaign a name as we converting keywords VCPM video exact. So start date should be the today, and daily budget is, let's start with the $30. So next step is Amazon asks what your goal is. You will see two options here, grow brand impression share and VCPM. So drive page visits, that's CPC. We are choosing grow brand impression share, which is a VCPM based strategy. That means you are charged per 1,000 impressions. VCPM is for brand visibility, great for retargeting and top of funnel. CPC is for clicks and conversions, performance based ads. For this one, we are going with VCPM. So now let's create your ad group, give it a name as we converting keywords VCPM video exact. So keep name consistent. Trust me, it helps a lot when managing multiple campaigns. So now Amazon gives you 3 options: product collection. So show a few products with custom headline, store spotlight, send traffic to the different section of your store. So video autoplay, video right search results. So we are going with the video option because honestly it performs really well. It grabs attention fast and build brand trust quickly. So now choose where you want shopper to land after clicking your ad. We will go with store on Amazon. So this is perfect if you have set up a proper Amazon storefront. It helps build a strong brand experience. So Amazon let you adjust bids for different audience. We are keeping it simple. Select don't increase bids for audiences. Let the performance speak first, then optimize later. So now it is time for targeting. We are going with keyword targeting, and here is where you enter your top performing keywords. If you don't know how to find those, we actually have a full video on keyword research using a free tool called Keyword Master. Click the link below in the description. Set your match type to exact and set your bids per keyword and keep them competitive, but don't go too aggressive if you are just testing. So now let's build an actual ad and set the ad name as we converting keyword VCPM video exact, and then upload your brand logo, your brand name, a strong headline, short, clear, benefit driven, and your video. So then select a product you want to showcase below the video. Done. Cool. Once everything is placed, hit submit for review and your campaign is off the races. That's it for now, and that's how you create a sponsored brand VCPM video campaign from scratch. So this video is super effective for building brand awareness and getting more eyes on your brand. So in the next video, we are going to set up a sponsored brand campaign using CPC bidding. So you will learn how to use it format to drive direct traffic and clicks. See you in the next video.